Hey, you know what? The wife's gone. It's time for me to utilize this house differently than when she's home. I don't mean I gotta do anything bad, but hey, you know what? She's out of town, she left me home, so I might as well have a good time. Oh no, I'm not gonna party. But you know what? There's a lot of things I could use this house for. I could move that table, and I got a giant area here for an RC car track indoor. I could run RC cars in here tonight. And you know what? This is really a big room. I think I'll move the couch, and I can fly helicopters in here tonight too. Sweet! So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna reconfigure. Okay, let's see you laying down the pad. Okay, land again. Right dead center now. Sweet. Okay, so now we're done flying helicopters for a while. So now we moved everything. We got the racetrack set up here and a dining room. And what kind of cars are these, Don?
These are Radio Shack X Mods.
X Mods, yes.
X Mods.
And there's my X Mod that I'm going to put the smack to Don with. He thinks he's got a red one, but
Mustang.
Yeah, that's right. Mine's a Mustang too, but mine's faster, maybe. Anyway.
And we have a...
What's that?
Dodge.
A Dodge. Oh,
what is that? A Challenger, I think.
Yeah, something like that. What's the other one?
It's a Honda Civic.
Honda Civic. Well, you know my Mustang's going to whoop that for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah. I think they jam each other.
You do?
Yeah.
Does mine jam yours or yours jam mine? Yours jamming mine.
Yeah, I think
right?
so. I'm gonna try to put my antenna down a little bit.
Okay. Good. Waiting for you. Ah, that's how you're going to do it, huh?
Lost one of my headlights.
We're going to film.
Whoa! Oh God. Whoa. Total darkness.
The lights are pretty bright, I think.
They are.
Oh!
Ah.
Okay, down. Okay, go to the pad.
Go into the pad.
Yeah.
Touch and go.
Oh. Nice. Good. Well, Don, what time is it?
Well, it looks like it's almost 20 minutes past midnight.
And we run cars in the house, flew airplanes. We put the house back together so the little woman would never guess.
We ran through several batteries, both in cars and helicopter, and didn't seem to crash real bad. And I think Paul found a new helicopter friend, and it was like pretty cool.
It's been swell, but
the swelling's gone down.